Hey there, I'm Jarrod Wickum, and I'm President and CEO of Wickum Weld. First off, I'd like to thank you for purchasing Wickum Weld products. Here at Wickum Weld, we pride ourselves on three things: quality, innovation, and service. And we don't take that lightly. Every product at Wickum Weld has been handmade and meticulously inspected right here in our shop. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the installation of your new Wickum Weld rack. It's a breeze, and I'll guide you through every step of the way. First step is to center the rack on your truck. Line up the back of the rack with the front of the bed to the most outer part on both sides. Line up the inside of the bed rail with the inside of the cab rack foot and make sure the brake light is centered. Next, clamp the foot of your rack to the bed rail. Each truck is a little different and the opening varies. Take a look and see where you're going to have the most clearance for your fasteners. Use a tape measure to mark the top of the cab rack foot, and then center punch your mark and drill the holes using a 3/8 drill bit. Install the provided hardware and tighten to a snug fit. And you're done. Once again, thank you for choosing Wickum Weld to outfit your truck. We're committed to providing you with the highest quality products, service, and support. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team. We would love to see your truck with our product. So if you have any pictures, please send them our way. Thank you.